So I want to use this simple model to show you how you can be able to move your camera around scenes in Twinmotion, and you'll be able to take some of the most amazing shots in Twinmotion. So to take videos, it's pretty easy. You just come to, you just click on media. Then once you click on media, you can be able to see options here. The one that we want is video. So first you have to move to where you want to be, and I see some people like they take quick shots, which sometimes they're not that pretty amazing. If you take a shot from here, then again I think you're coming to take a shot from here, but it depends also with your music how you want the shots to appear. Here, then you come and you take here, then maybe, and sometimes the sun can be making you not to take some of the best shots. You can just be able to rotate the sun depending on the shot. So if I play a video like this, you can see that's a lot of things in one video. Usually the way that Twinmotion does is every video is around 10 seconds. So you don't want to move your camera from one point that is pretty far to another point that is like very, very far apart. You want them to be closer to each other. That way I find it to take some amazing shots. So if I want to pan my camera, like for instance in this case, I can click here, then you can just bring it somewhere closer, and it will be a short, smooth and cool video which will show maybe a lot of information about a specific thing. You don't want to move your camera from like a very far point to another farthest point. Here I can just do something like this. Yeah, I can click here, then I do maybe something like this, and maybe this way, but I do a little bit like this. Then if I play it, you see that it's pretty nice camera move. And if you want, you can do, of course, some complicated stuff, like you can try to move a camera in here. Maybe you want to focus on here. If you are done some amazing things, not like mine, and to move that, you want it to appear more like a drone shot, not some crazy thing. So that way I do that. Then when I'm moving this one forward, like to take another place, I don't want to maintain it at the same elevation. You want to move it but to change elevation a little, like there. Okay, then I take a shot, then I can continue maybe like there, but I make sure that it's a little bit higher. So this way, let me just play first so that you see how the movement goes. It will be more like a drone shot. Yeah, it's not like stopping at a point and it's, yeah. Then I can continue like this. So if you want, you can even pass it to like here. I can take it this way. Though this one is another long shot, like that we said we don't want to be taking them. I'm just showing you for the fun of it. If you want it to be cool, more like a drone shot, that way. Say for some unknown reason you want your camera to move here, then you want to come here, you move it up, then you want to move it here, maybe down, and move it here and to that opening, and you want it to be like a continuous shot. So what I find it easy, how I do something like that. Let me begin like from here and show you. I can do this. Like I want a continuous shot that will be able to move through here, but it won't be able to cut through any metal or stuff. Then I can move it like here. So these ones we're just doing for fun. Anyways, continuous shooting Twinmotion. Then I'll do like here. I don't know if this one will be continuous. then I can do this. Let's see. So this one I don't like it. I don't like it I don't like it here. Let me play it. You see here. So here, let's make it to be that way. You see, yeah. So it's more like a continuous shot. Anyways, so you can be able to export these files. Now, how to export? If you want to export from Twinmotion 2024.1.2.1, 2024.1, you click on export. Then if you have images, you can select the images that you want. If you have videos, you go ahead and select the videos that you desire, videos that your heart desires. So once I select, I can now come and say export. You can do more settings that you want on the same in terms of frame rates, but 30 is okay because most devices I think most devices will be like how do you say, they're divisible by 30 easily, most screens. So you want 30 to be okay, or 30 is okay. Then I say start exporting, and it depends where do you want to place it. So let me say there, then I say select folder. Then all you have to do is sit a little bit and chill and wait as your laptop does the thing which it does best. Now I hope, man, you're okay. And if, like I said, if this is your first time here, you can always subscribe to help us grow. And see you in the next one. I'll have to end it at that point. I'll just show you maybe when it's done, but it only takes like a minute. And if your PC is too good, it will just take a few seconds to be done. See you.